Hastings, a vibrant seaside town where art, music, and local culture thrive. It's home to one of Britain's oldest fishing ports, independent shops, creative spaces, and festivals that bring the town's eccentric charm to life. On the surface, it's peaceful, picturesque, calm. But beneath the quiet lies a storm of history. Hastings is the town where England's history changed forever. It all started here, in 1066, on a battlefield that would decide the future of a nation. The Battle of Hastings wasn't just a clash of kings. It was the end of Anglo-Saxon England and the birth of a new Norman rule. William the Conqueror built his first castle here. Sitting high above the town, Hastings Castle marked a new era of power, control, and identity. Today, the ruins still watch over the coast, whispering stories of conquest and legacy. At the foot of the cliffs, the East Hill Cliff Railway runs up the steepest funicular track in the UK. Built in 1902 and now fully electric, it carries visitors to stunning coastal views over the Channel and the old fishing beach, known as the Stade. Just a short drive from Hastings lies another kind of beauty: wide open skies and endless golden sands. Camber Sands stretches along the coast like a dream, calm, windswept, timeless. It's where the sea slows down and the sky puts on its final show.